How's it going, everyone? John here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the color source in Streamlabs OBS. Now, if you're new to the channel or if you're new to the series, be sure to go ahead and take a look around, and if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. That way you can get notified every time I upload a video. So for this one, for the whole color source, it's very basic. There's really not much to it, and it allows you to add a little bit of creativity with very minimal effort. When I say very little, I mean very little, and you're going to see what I mean by that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a scene, which I already have here. So go ahead and create your scene by clicking the plus. And then we're going to go over to sources, and we're going to click on the plus. We're going to go over to color source, and it says that you can add a color to the background of your whole scene or just a part. And you can use hex, you can use RGBA, and also the HSV. So go ahead and click add source. You can give it a name, and we're going to click add source. So now you got this white box. First things first, go ahead and set it to a width and height that you want it to be. For me, it's going to be 1920 by 1080. And then you're going to want to give it a color. So I'm just going to go and grab a random color on here. So we're going to go with this green. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring it behind my game source. So we're going to left click and hold and drag down. And now you got that white line right underneath the game capture. And there we go. Now, if you don't have anything on there, like if you don't have any extra stuff like I do, that's fine. You can go and bring something in if you want to, just that way you can kind of mess with things yourself. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock the color source by clicking on the lock icon here. So now I can't grab it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the other source, which is my game, and I'm just going to grab the corner and I'm going to pull into it. So now it gives me something like this. And the reason why I wanted to show you guys something like this was because this gives you the ability of maybe throwing a webcam up here on the top right hand side. Maybe you want to have the chat down here, and then maybe you would want to have some other widgets down here and stuff like that. So it gives you a very basic, minimal effort type of design, and it's very easy to do. However, if you wanted something like this, if you were going to do something similar to this, you might as well just go and grab an image off of Google or something and throw that as your background. That way it has a little bit more flair versus just a plain color. But that does give you a little bit here. And the other thing you can also do, if you know the width of your webcam, you can even put this as the background of your webcam. So if you know, like, if just picture this being cut off just at the border. So you have like a colored border for your webcam when you're streaming. So you can do something like that too. So there is a little bit of creativity you can do with this, but if you guys have used this for something that I can't even think of, let me know in the comments. Help other people who want to maybe use this as well. But this kind of gives you just a little bit of an idea of what you can do with the color source. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to go and let me know in the comment section. You can reach out to me on Discord, Twitter. You can send me an email. You can talk to me when I'm streaming. I have no problems helping you guys out. But thank you so much for watching. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, be sure to go ahead and take a look around. If you're new to the series, check out the other videos in the playlist. And there's many more to come, guys. Many more to come. So definitely look forward to that. But I will see you all in a future video and maybe in a future stream. Take care, and thank you so much for watching.